really pretty.
Wait a second. Ready? Oh, those are real. And I knocked the whole thing over.
I know, right?
Those are real, though. Are those?
They are real.
Look how big those are.
Yep.
Look how many pounds that is. Wow. It's insane.
I know, right?
It's good eating.
Yeah. Been way up top. Yeah. And pretty flowers.
Those are.
It has that sage leaf to it. Those are pretty. I've seen those. I like those in the catalog.
Really pretty. I see somewhere I need to go.
Yeah, we'll get there.
Seed Company. We are Southlands, and we're excited to be here. That are here in the food trucks and the restaurants. There's lots of good stuff.
What is that? Look at, I'm in the jungle. It's like when we're on a cruise and we're in like the Caribbean.
Yeah.
It's cold in there. He'll look it up when we get home.
Yeah. It's in the catalog, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Those are really pretty.
Come through the jungle with me.
Okay. Lead the way. I hope there's no tigers in this one.
Tigers? That's tomorrow.
Yeah. You're over there.
So you want to sit on the bench with me?
Wow. Got a lot of seeds. Hopefully Valerie will be able to get some seeds before a lot of stuff runs out. The crowd, but it looks like everybody had the same ideas to come and get their stuff before it got busy. And it definitely got busy.
Oh, yeah.
You finding any seeds, babe?
Just grabbing. I was going to grab lots of different basil since you're like into basil. So,
Making the pesto.
I already have like, this one's really good though.
So, we made it to Baker's Creek, and we went to the seed store, and it was an easy $120 some odd, but we got a lot of seeds that we really wanted.
No, I just grabbed, and it was on sale, $2 a pack. I just grabbed everything I might grow. Anybody want to trade seeds?
It's definitely a great place to come and look at. The garden festival that we're at right now is just, I definitely recommend you come early because it's
Packed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
We gotta go look at more stuff.
yep.
The old car.
Yep.
I drove that here. That's how I parked my car.
That would be a long ride. We came and we saw and we got the pop.
We got the popcorn to prove it. This is good. This will be great. great for the rest of our road trip.
Yeah.
If it makes it that long.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Really good stuff.
Oh no. Popo. So, Baker's Creek's in Mansfield, Missouri. It's also the last home of Laura Ingalls Wilder. So before we head home, we're gonna go check out her house too. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna keep on the same.
It's got big oak trees. Really pretty.
What does? Oh, I thought you said I looked pretty.
Anything open?
Online it says this is open till from noon on a Sunday, but it's not open
And this is
unless they're running really, really late.
the
Museum.
This over here. This over here is the visitor center, which has a gate, but it was open, so we decided to park and walk up and get a view of the house and the grounds. We were hoping to go out to the cemetery and
I forgot which way it was.
see it.
It's not on the ground. It's